Hi, good morning.
Hi, good morning.
This is your new bag.
Yes, this is my new bag.
Tomorrow exam.
No, tomorrow exam.
Today English test.
Yes, today English test.
Had finished your homework.
Yes, I finished my homework.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is turmeric rice.
Teacher scolding me.
Why?
Speaking inside the classroom. What is your name?
My name is Tejasri.
What is your father name?
My father name is Srinivasan.
What is your mother name?
My mother name is R. Nandini.
What is your sister's name?
My sister name is Darshanasri.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is Goa. What is your sister name?
My sister name is VP Karthayani.
What is your mother name?
My mother name is Pandi Chelvi.
What is your father name?
My father name is Pandimuttu Pandi.
What is your favorite rice?
My favorite rice is fried rice.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
What is your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher is Kalai ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.